Hello everyone, welcome to Lekker Treats and thanks for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we'll be making this classic German Jägerschnitzel with Jägersauce to celebrate the German Reunification Day. Please subscribe to this channel for amazing food related content if you've not done yet. Let's get started. We'll begin by chopping our onion, mushrooms and fresh parsley. Roughly chop up the parsley. Next, we'll be flattening our schnitzel. You can use any schnitzel of your choice. I'm using Turkish schnitzel today. We'll wrap our schnitzel in a cling film and give it a few taps. You can use your meat tenderizer for this process. I'm using my rolling pin. Alternatively, you can use your frying pan and it gets the work done perfectly. Just a few taps here and there and we are good to go. We'll then season our schnitzel with some salt and pepper. Flip it over and season the other side as well. We'll be coating our schnitzel with some flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Then we'll coat our schnitzel in flour. It goes into our egg and then in the breadcrumbs. Once we are done with the coating, we'll set it aside to fry later. Next, we'll add some butter to our frying pan, and once that is hot enough, we'll add our mushrooms. Once it begins to give up some water, we'll take it out and set aside. We'll put some butter in our frying pan again, and to this we'll add our bacon and our onion and saute it for just a couple of minutes. We'll then add our mushrooms, our vegetable broth, and heavy cream. Give it a good stir. Add some salt, thyme, and pepper to taste. We'll allow this to simmer on medium heat until it thickens up considerably. Once it thickens up, we'll add our freshly chopped parsley. And see how beautiful the sauce looks. All ready to be enjoyed. Next, we'll be frying our schnitzel. We add some oil into our frying pan, and once this is hot, we'll put in our schnitzel. After a few minutes, we flip it over. And once it turns golden brown, we take it out and put it on a kitchen tissue to soak up the extra oil. And there we have it, another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. This is mostly enjoyed with fries. You can't have it better anywhere else. I'll be dishing up a portion for myself. Please give this and other recipes on this channel a try, and you would absolutely love it. And if you've not done yet, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. Until I come your way in the next one, it's bye!